Ever felt super motivated one day, but completely lazy the next? That's because motivation is a feeling, it comes and goes. But discipline, that's what creates real success. And today, I'll show you why. Think about this: Michael Jordan, the greatest basketball player of all time, wasn't always motivated. But he showed up every single day. Not because he felt like it, but because he was disciplined. And that's what made him legend. 1. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is permanent. Motivation feels great, but it fades. Discipline is what keeps you going even when you don't feel like it. 2. Small daily actions lead to big success. If you do just 1% better every day, in a year, you'll be 37 times better. Success is not one big step, it's thousands of small, consistent actions. 3. Build habits, not just motivation. Discipline means making good habits automatic. Want to get fit? Schedule workouts like an appointment. Want to be rich? Save money automatically. 4. The 5-second rule to overcome laziness. Feeling lazy? Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and just start. Action kills procrastination. 5. Success is just a game of showing up. Most people fail because they quit too soon. The winners, they just keep showing up. Be the one who never give up. If you want real success, stop relying on motivation. Build discipline, build habits, and watch your life change. Comment discipline below if you're ready to take control of your future.